down Shelby Drive. Look alive, look alive. Niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well. Yeah. I mean, where the fuck should I really even start? I got hoes that I'm keeping in the dark. I got my niggas cross the street living large. Thinking back to the fact that they dead, thought my raps wasn't facts, so they sat with the bars. I got 2 phones, one need a charge. Yeah, they twins, I could tell they ass apart. I got big packs coming on the way. I got big stacks coming out to save. I got Lil Max with me, he the wave. It's a big gap between us in the game. In the next life, I'm trying to stay paid. When I die, put my money in the grave. When I die, put my money in the grave. I really gotta put a couple niggas in their place. Really just slapped every nigga in a race. I really might tap this nigga on my face. Lil CC, let it slap with the babes. I used to save hoes with a mask in a cave. Now I'm like, nah, love, I'm good, go away. Ain't about to die with no money out of game.
Okay, hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Shay, and I'm back at it again with another video. And this, well, it's a vlog. Well, today we're gonna be doing an unboxing, and then we're gonna be doing a like, I guess, get ready with me, going somewhere. I really don't know. Just kind of like a come with me. Y'all are gonna be in a car and like everything like that with me today, I guess. So, well, let me show y'all. The first thing I got is this thing from Sephora. Well, it's perfume, and let me see. Yeah, they can see it. And this is what it's called, Nomade, and it's by Chloe. And let's open it so I can show you guys what it looks like. So this is what it looks like, and like right here it says Chloe, and then on this side it says Nomade. And it's so pretty, like, and it smells so good. And it's pink. It smells like so good, y'all. So good. And I did an unboxing on TikTok, so y'all go watch that. Follow me on TikTok if you don't. Yeah. And then we have this gift right here. I don't know, the box is like super white, so y'all can't really see where it's from. It's from the Webster, if y'all can see where that is from. And then this is the box. It's so pretty. Alexander Wang. It's so pretty, guys. And it always, like, it's super hard to open this, but oh, it was easy today. And y'all, I did an unboxing for this on TikTok too. Go watch that. And this is the bag, y'all. It's so cute. It's so cute. It's like, yeah. And it says Wang right here. It's so cute, y'all. And this is a tag. And like, it's stuff in the inside, of course, but I ain't taking it out yet. Yeah, it's so cute. I will wear probably where it's like the wing is in the front, or low-key the wing will get in the back too if you take a lot of pictures of it. It's all depends on how you take your pictures, y'all. And so yeah, it's like, and Jordan said, he even pointed out that I like black purses. It's like perfect. So thank you. And yeah, y'all, that's what I got. This is my unboxing, and it's much funner and better on TikTok, so go watch it on TikTok if you haven't already. Yeah, y'all. So thank you. This is what I was gonna wear. This is like just the one piece from Shein, but I think I'm gonna wear this top with some shorts, because that's like the vibe I'm feeling. I'm not feeling this because we're supposed to be going to a restaurant after, and this is not giving restaurant. This is giving like just, you know, outside with your friends, chilling, smoking some hookah, you know, something like that. So yeah, I'm gonna change and I'll be right back. I'm gonna change to this and probably like some shorts. Okay, so then y'all, I was gonna wear this, but it looks like, it's so cute, but it like looks too weird in this area for me. So I'm probably gonna just wear this. I don't know, y'all. What do y'all think? Or should I just keep this on? Let me see what I will pair with this. Yeah, so probably I will pair with these for the restaurant. But then for just like walking around purposes, just put on these. But definitely these for the restaurant. So let me go ask Jordan to see if he like it. So yeah, y'all, let me show y'all in better lighting. Maybe that's what it is. I'm just trying to show y'all in better lighting how the outfit looks. You know what I mean? It's like, it's cool and sleek. Good little vibe. The back is open. I'm gonna put on lotion. I probably sound like quiet or a little like low, but y'all, I'm like so tired. So tired. So yeah, y'all, I really don't know what to wear. Like, the first outfit was cute, huh, y'all? But I feel like that's not restaurant cute. And I feel like this outfit will be cuter with a different bottom. I mean, this top will be cuter with a different bottom. So, I don't know, y'all. I'm kind of like at a loss. If y'all were me, how would y'all style this top? It's open top. You know what I mean? It's real cute, but how would y'all style it? I'm gonna come back when I got something, the outfit that I'm going out in. I'll be back. Alright, y'all, so this is what I decided on. Cute. You know what I'm saying?
Are they gonna see us being who we were on Saturday? Be who you are.
Yeah, this vlog is. So yeah, y'all, this is what I decided on. And then let me show y'all the purse I'm wearing. Show y'all the purse I'm wearing. So cute. There it goes, so good. So yeah, y'all. Get into it. Get into it. And yeah, y'all, I'll talk to you guys when I either get back to where we are. I don't even know where we're going. We're going to eat something. I'll just talk to you guys later. Peace. Okay, y'all. We at Hotel Zaza. I was just putting on my heels. We putting on our heels so we could go into Hotel Zaza.
With the Zaza.
Y'all, as y'all can see, we on my page. And look how many views we hit, y'all. 10K views. Thank you. Now it's time to take 10 shots. Shots. Ooh, I gotta tell you what happened.
Okay, Shay, where's the top from?
Okay. So the top is thrifted, but it's Forever 21. The bottoms are thrifted. The shoes are Fashion Nova. And the bag is Steve Madden.
Period. Let them know. Who's on the beat?
Jordan on the beat.
Mwah. Why the
Oh, it's humid.
I know.
I mean, it's raining.
Okay, period.
Come on. It's so freaking pretty, y'all. The outfit is either crazy, but look at this mirror. Tell them give me one of these. Tell them give me one of these, y'all. And the little paintings or whatever are cute too. Yeah, y'all. Should we eat here? They're like trying to see if we're eating. 60? Alright, y'all, so next spot. Put the light on. So y'all, it's time to go to the next spot. Cause they're not eating. Hotels are not eating. Okay.
If you have a different shirt or a jacket,
Okay. Cool.
We just got that watching right to play. I'm not worried about what we wearing.
Cool. I ain't got no jacket in the car either.
What should we talk about?
Huh?
What should we talk about?
Do a mukbang?
Yeah. Let's do a mukbang for real. Hey y'all, we're waiting for our food.
No, we're not even waiting for the food. We're waiting for the waitress.
Oh yeah, we're not even waiting for food. We're waiting for our food to get cooked.
Then we're gonna do a little vloggy vlog, y'all. We didn't even get no pictures because we decided that can't force it. So,
Gotta happen at
you know what I'm saying? So,
yeah, always happen at you, but it's really the lighting, bitch. Look at the day.
plus, we got a whole week to be that with you. Give us a minute. Monday ain't never know.
This is just a Monday, y'all.
You know what I mean? Oh no, Monday. Oh. What's the giving on the Monday, y'all?
On a Monday.
It's giving, they gonna make some drinks. Y'all, she really ain't gonna take our order. We can take our service somewhere else for all this. We don't even know if y'all can hear us.
They can.
They better.
No? Alright, cool. Look like it's y'all. I'm not y'all's way down.
She probably like a little wig.
Y'all, we gonna come back on she with the food. Like, I'm getting irritated. I don't want y'all to see me mad.
Got trippy on them private jets, taking trips. Come back at 6, wake me and your child. And then won't lay today. Make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think you're playing.
I just want to tell them drinks were nasty. Huh? Y'all, these 0 out of 10 recommended. Don't ever get nothing like that. Don't ever try to be patriotic. Don't ever do that. Nasty.
What the hell would we do when we try to be patriotic?
Y'all, we finna do strawberry margaritas because we gonna stick to the what we know.
Like little baby, you wanna drive?
Leave your family in the cold and rain. And I don't think you'll ever change your ways. Cause I
Who said take it?
Is they trying to get in?
And it's raining?
They look like the type of people. Y'all look.
They're trying to jump into a pool and it's raining. Like who does that?
Move. Y'all, that's cool trying to jump into a pool while it's raining. And then we got cool yelling. Then we got Lizzo playing. 0 out of 10 for their music tonight. Put me on the DJ booth, please, and thank you.
Cause we're feeling good as hell.
What you feeling?
Feeling good as hell.
Okay, y'all, so let me tell y'all everything we gonna need to be
Daddy.
The first thing you'll need is your lip liner or eyeshadow, whatever you use on your lips, right?
I gave you my soul. I gave you.
Y'all see, y'all got it on y'all lips like this, like so. And then I was gonna do my lipstick, but I'm gonna just do
Cause we feeling good as hell.
my duo, and you go in with the duo like this. And then, last but not least, you go with your lips. Like so. Jordan, zoom in. So they can get into the lip combo.
Period. Now take a drink of that. Take a swig. Come on.
And lips still on. Celebratory toast. Thank you, God.
Yeah, this table too was like messy.
See, your mama knew I was something else. She knew how I felt. Back then we were in school, and that's your favorite excuse. Growing up, I was a fool, and I can't lie, I'm missing you. Listen and don't trip. I think I need a bottle with a genie in it. Here's my wish list.
are almost done, y'all. Look. And then look at
like margarita, Big Mac, pizza.
Chill, real. Okay, y'all. Peace out.
Other side, oh well, fuck them, dog. We gon' see how hard they ride. I get rest.